Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIL Lily 2 active, and I'm gonna show you how to change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Basically how quickly the screen turns off after you stop using your device. Usually it takes a couple of seconds for it to turn off, and it does it to save the power basically. Okay, so let's start with pressing and holding the lower button to open the menu. Or if you need to skip something, press it once, and once you see the watch face, then press and hold it to open the menu. Okay, and once the watch face, or rather not watch face, but the menu opens, you can scroll down, find the option called the settings, and tap on it. Here you can scroll through the list of options and find the option called the system, and after you find it, you can tap on it, and then select display. And here we have options like general use, during activity, and during sleep. Basically 3 states of the watch. General use is when you use your watch normally. During the activity is when you're tracking some activity on your watch, like cycling, running, and stuff like that. And sleep is basically when you're sleeping. First, let's tap on general use. Oh, my bad, general use. And then scroll down, and at the bottom you will see timeout. Tap on it, and here we have short, medium, and long. I'm gonna select the long one and tap on the check mark. It will give me information that it will lower the battery life. Basically, it will drain more power, but the screen won't turn off as often when I use the watch. Basically, on the short timer, it's really short. So if you stop using your watch for a second or two, stop touching the screen, it will just turn off, which is a bit annoying sometimes. Okay, next we have during activity. So like I said, when you're training, when you're tracking activity on your watch, and again, you can change the timeout to something you like. And finally, we have the sleep. And I recommend short for the sleep because you don't want to be disturbed during the sleep. Okay, and once you're done, you can press the back button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.